Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to create a custom profile for iMovie using the Logitech MX Creative Console. We'll go step by step, finding the right shortcuts, designing custom icons in Canva, and mapping everything neatly in the Logi Options Plus app. By the end, you'll have a fully optimized keypad tailored to your iMovie workflow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather shortcuts. The first step is to gather the shortcuts you'll need. Apple has a great support page that lists all the iMovie shortcuts. And I've also created a Google Sheet for you. You can find it linked below. If you'd like ready-to-use icons and the keypad profile, I've made them available on my Patreon, which is also linked below. Step 2. Plan and adjust layout. Before mapping everything, I started by creating my first page of shortcuts. After testing, I noticed that a few adjustments were needed, such as repositioning the next frame and previous frame keys. Making small changes like this early on ensures that spacing and alignment are consistent, which will make your icons look much cleaner across all pages. Step 3. Create custom icons. Now, let's move on to the fun part, creating custom icons in Canva. For page 2, I tried adding a black duplicate layer behind each icon, and this created a really nice three-dimensional effect. I liked it so much that I decided to recreate all of the remaining icons in the same style. Here's how you can achieve this effect. First, add your icon to the page and position it where you want it to be. Next, duplicate the icon and send the original to the back. Then change its color to black or any color that you prefer. After that, select the icon at the front. Open the Edit panel, go to the Shadows option and choose Drop Shadow. Match the shadow color to the duplicate element that's behind and adjust it so it sits slightly off to one side of the original shape. And there you go, a clean icon with depth effect in Canva. Step 4. Map shortcuts in the Logi Options Plus app. When it comes to exporting, I recommend saving all icons as PNG files with a maximum file size of 150 kilobytes. Personally, I use 145. A quicker way to export is to set your download settings once, then simply scroll through each page and download as you go. This method saves a few seconds each time, which adds up for 60 icons or so. To stay organized, I also like to export my icons into folders named after each page. Once your icons are ready, open the Logi Options Plus app and start mapping them. First, select a key on your keypad, then on the right-hand side under System Actions, assign a keyboard shortcut. After that, add a label so you know exactly what that key does. Next, click on the image button at the top left of the pop-up window. On this new screen, you can add text to your icon and adjust it if you like. To upload your custom icon, just click on the upload button at the top, select your file, and make any final adjustments. Repeat the same process for every key across all of your keypad pages. Step 5. Final setup and test. Once everything is mapped and all of your icons are uploaded, it's time to test your profile in iMovie. Try it out, make small adjustments if something doesn't feel right, and before long you'll have a smooth and personalized editing workflow that saves you time. And that's it. You now have a fully custom iMovie profile for your Logitech MX Creative Console. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which icon style you prefer, and I'll see you in the next video.